Hi, this is Alex Burleson, and I have been making this volcano over the weekend, and I would like to show it to you. So, this took a long time to paint and make, and so after we made it, we already put in the baking powder because it was so tricky to get in that small tiny hole. And now I'm gonna put 5 drops of red coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops of red food coloring. And now for the action, I'm gonna put inside the vinegar, and this will make everything explode. I put in 50 milliliters inside. Here's where the action comes. Whoa! Baking soda volcano. And look what happened. The volcano erupted. This looks sweet. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you later, and please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, bye.